Hi there. Why don't you join me for this 10-minute weight loss workout? Let's do it. Hi there, welcome. I'm Coach Tonya here at Criticalbench, and in this video we're going to be doing a 10-minute weight loss workout. Few great things about this workout. A, it only takes 10 minutes, so if you don't have a lot of time but you want to get a workout in, this is the one you want to be doing. You also do not need any equipment, so that's another plus. As well, you don't need a whole lot of space. You can do this just about anywhere. You can do it at home, you can do it in the backyard. I don't know if you have an office, you can probably do it in your office too, but you really just need 10 minutes and some motivation, a glass of water, and we're ready to go. Now this is a high intensity workout. Now it's great for beginners because none of the moves are overly complicated. So it's an easy workout to follow. 30 seconds of exercise followed by 10 seconds of rest. Repeat that exercise, another 10 seconds of rest before moving into the next exercise. So we're basically doing 30 seconds of exercise, 10 seconds of rest for 7 exercises, and we're going to be repeating each of those exercises twice. That gives you your 10-minute workout. Trust me, you're going to feel it, you're going to love it, and we're going to burn lots of fat. All right, the first exercise is plie jump squats. We're going to do this for 30 seconds, 10-second break, then we're going to repeat that and moving on into the next one. So here we go, plie jump squats. Let's go. Okay, I told you it was high intensity, it was gonna keep you moving, tough, but you did a great job. So that was, again, 7 exercises. That's a 10-minute total weight loss routine. And basically that's focusing on fat burning. So this stuff here, this sweat stuff, that's fat cells crying. That's exactly what we want from a workout, especially when you don't have a lot of time. Maybe you're a stay-at-home mom, maybe you just don't like the gym. This is one great weight loss, fat burning routine that you can get in very quickly. You can even get it done before the kids get up. And be, having trouble talking, I'm winded. And for as winded as you may feel afterwards, doing that first thing in the morning is gonna have you very, very energized for the rest of your day. So keep that up. You wanna do this, I challenge you. I'm gonna challenge you. If you're a beginner, start out trying to fit this in twice a week, okay? And after 2 weeks, pop in a third workout, okay? That's only 30 minutes of your week devoted to exercise and specifically targeted to fat burning. And hey, make sure down below you want to check out that pinned comment because there's a free gift in there for you, and it is the 3 lies that the weight loss industry does not want you to know. So if you love this workout and if you really want to burn fat, you want to click that pinned comment there and get that free gift and learn more, all right? Make sure too, while you're checking out comments and looking in the description, click that notification button, okay? Click to subscribe, click the notification bell, and that way you're never gonna miss any of our great content. We have thousands of videos on our channel, hundreds of thousands of videos on our channel for every level, for everything to help you look and feel your best, to hit your weight loss, fitness, your goals, anything that you wanna do, we've got it here on this channel. So make sure you're clicking that subscribe, make sure you're getting those notifications. And as always, we love having you on our team here. Thank you for watching. I'm Coach Tonya at Criticalbench. See you next time.